What's up, y'all? So it's been a long time since I came. I had a lot of stuff going on and I just had to get myself together. So anyways, excuse the pimple patches because, Mother Nature and stuff, everything want to pop up on your face. But I have some packages that I want to unpack. And yeah, so my first package I just want to show. I don't know if y'all know anything about Carpe, but they are the best. I have been wearing this deodorant for probably about a little around 3 to maybe 6 months. I might be lying, but whatever. And didn't realize when you buy something, you have to make sure you just buy it one time and not subscribe. So I subscribed and this is what I have. So I have lavender citrus, which is one of my faves. I really like that one. Coconut vanilla. This is my favorite one. About to say favorite. That ain't no word. It's in a dictionary. Fresh powder and clean sport. So yeah, that's that. I ordered a case. I couldn't wait, so I had to open it up. So a case and a matching my AirPod case. Y'all, this tortoise shell, it's just becoming one of my favorite patterns now. Y'all know I'm an animal print kind of girl, so I like leopard, I like cheetah. I like it all. Next. Next we have a wig. Y'all know me and my hair, honey. Dang. They make sure you don't take nothing. You got it taped up, boxed up, all kind of stuff. So this is a curly wig. Of course, every wig gonna come with a wig cap. Got me some little earrings. Okay. Some little gold hoops. This is a curly wig, and I do believe this is a synthetic wig. Judge your mama, but synthetic wigs are in. So, yeah. It's gonna be big, and everything that I'm showing, I am gonna post, send a link so y'all can see where I got it from. Everything is pretty much from TikTok, by the way. Yeah, I think. Yeah, everything's from TikTok. Except for the deodorant. The Carpe, I ordered it off the actual website. But yeah, it's a big poofy wig. I love big hair. I just can't stay away from it. It's so cute. So I'm going to get my little pick and like pick this out so it'll be real big. So y'all will see this coming to a theater near you. Now, next, I have hold on. Let me just rip right open. Can't do much with my little nails. But this is I want to say it's 10 or 12. This is lips I seen off TikTok that stain your lips. Oh, I forgot. I have a lip liner by Lacquer. It's in my purse. But, yeah. This is, how many in here? I think it's 12. I'm going to say it's 12. I'm lying. It's 10. 10 in the pack. So, whenever I do a video on that, I will bring it back to y'all attention, because right now I ain't got time to take it out and show y'all all the colors. It's pretty multicolored, pretty cool. Next package, dig into it. Next is a pair of shoes from, I want to say it's Cushionaire. I ain't no spelling bee champ. Y'all already know what's up, so don't even come for me, school teachers. Look how freaking cute these are. They're so cute. They look a little long, but they cute. And these are also in like the tortoise shell. So the tortoise type of print or whatever you have you. So freaking cute. Ah. So yeah, I cannot wait to put these on. I'm going on a trip soon and I will be recording that. And I'm going to wear these when I go. So yeah. Next, we have a box. It's probably going to take, I'm hoping it's going to take me forever to get in it. Because if it do, I'm just going to go to the next thing. So, I ordered 2 of these. This is by LYS Beauty. And the color is Chrismatic. Can y'all get in there? I don't know if you can. But anyways, it's popular on TikTok. All the girls are raving about it. I ordered 2. I ordered Chrismatic, and I think the other one is Truthful. I guess they're going to send that separate because it ain't in this box. So that's that. Next, this is Casemate, and I have been wanting to order from them for a while. This bag costs $100, but I had coupons from TikTok, so I got a coupon. And no shame in my game, I do split pay, baby. Because why would I want to spend $100 when I could split it up in 24, 25? You feel me? Bam! Ah! She is as pretty as she looks on TikTok. Anybody know me? I'm a bag. I love bags. I'm a bag girl. I love everything big. What's up? So I'm about to tear it up. How you open it? Oh, here you go. So yes, it's big on the inside, y'all, and it also comes with a little bag. Now I don't know, maybe some lip glosses could go in here. I do write a lot, so I keep a pen on me. You know, you gotta have a little pen. I could put my AirPod case, whatever have you in here, change, whatever you do, what you want to do, because you do you, and I'm gonna do me. But yeah, that is it. I just wanted to show y'all all of my stuff that I got, and I got plenty more stuff coming. I will be doing more videos, but yeah, that's it.